Welcome to episode number 35 of Turning $100 into $1 million, the series where I risk a whopping $100 of my money in an attempt for your entertainment and to turn it into $1 million. We do have yet another stock to look at in today's episode, as well as some more profit and loss updates. So let's start with my portfolio. So RF is now back in the green. I keep telling you guys it's a pendulum, it's a scale. It keeps swinging back and forth, red and green, red and green. It doesn't know which way to go for what I got it for when I got the free stock. And by the way, if you would like free stocks, 2 free stocks on me, all free, one valued up to $1,400. You can go ahead and use my link down below when you sign up with Webull. You'll get 1 stock valued up to $1,400. Another one, we'll have to wait and see. But let me know down below in the comments what stock that you get when you go ahead and sign up with my link down below. Let me know. I'm curious to hear. So RF is now back in the green at 60 cents profit, or 2.76% profit. DGLY 19.80 in the red, or 21.79. I think it's kind of stabilizing right now. It's kind of staying at the same price it has been for the last couple episodes. We'll look at the chart though in just a second. Then you have Levi. It's only now down 116, or 4.44%. Viacom a little bit more green, $11 and a cent, or 72.43% profit, at least when I got the free stock. OXLC, it's only down 328, or 8.23%. So we'll wait and see what happens with OXLC, but we'll look at the charts here for more confirmation. We'll start with RF. So RF had a fantastic day, and that's why I'm back in the profit. This was on the August 7th closing day, and it ended up at 11.26, or 42 cents up, or 3.87% up for the day. It was below the previous close up until around the afternoon, and then when noon hit, started doing this massive rally here, and down 10 cents after hours, but still a nice green day nonetheless. Then you have DGLY 14 cents down. It does seem at one point it was actually green, just a cent, but once it hit that previous close mark, it decided to tumble, and that's why it ended at 320 today, or 4.19% in the red. 5-day chart is still in the green though, not too much. It's just over 3%. The 1 month, even better though. That is at 21 cents up, or a little over 7%. Or if you do it from here, on Wednesday, the Wednesday trading day, it's up over 23%, or 60 cents up. So like I always say with DGLY, I'm still confident. It does seem to have potential. It does seem to have life. I'll still hold on to it. Levi, fantastic day today, 43 cents up, or 3.56% in the green. Large rally, was basically green the entire day, no matter which time that you looked at. And little swing here, little roller coaster over these last 5 days. It has been up, has been down, ups and downs, but still in the green for the 5-day chart. And the 1 month, just barely in the red. It started the 1 month when you do it from July 10th at 1260, so just barely in the red for the 1 month. 6 months, you could see it's pretty stagnant. We have some stabilization here, not much movement in the last few weeks. Viacom, even though I'm still up on it, it did go down 68 cents, or 2.53%. And 5 days, it is still up though, not by too much. Had a nice rally on Thursday, nice green day. 1 month is greatly in the green. That's a foregone conclusion right there. About 15% up, or over $3 and change. Now you can see this uptrend forming here ever since the March low, the worst of the stock market in regards to the virus. It is forming this uptrend. OXLC down 14 cents today, or about 3%. 5 days, it does remain in the green. 6.62%, not bad at all. 1 month, also in the green, about 9% there. So definitely some potential for OXLC, and it's pretty close to being in the green, not too far off. So I'll be keeping my eye on that for sure. The stock I wanted to look at in today's episode, something some people have been holding for a while now, but getting a lot of discussion and talk nonetheless. It is ticker symbol UAVS, or AgEagle Aerial Systems, and I had a nice day today, up about 9.5%. 5 days, even better. 20% for the 5 days, and the 1 month, even better than that, because the 1 month is up about 70%. And even the 6 months, this is where you really start to see the growth here of this stock. And the 1 year, of course, for the entirety of about a year. It's been about a year that it's always been under 40 cents, and then they did have a spike. April 29th, it did hit 230, but quickly came down. And then the end of June into the beginning of July is when you started to see this growth. And it's been pretty stable at 3 and change for a while now. It did go down to 2 and change in the beginning of August, but it quickly bounced back up, and it wanted to stay in 3 and change. Kind of looks like the chart for DGLY doesn't want to stay in 2 and change. So what is causing this run, and why is this stock having so much growth? If you look at the 5 years, it hasn't been anywhere near that territory since beginning of 2018, and then that's when it became a penny stock, a dirt cheap penny stock that is. Even at one point you could have scooped it up for under 30 cents. So what is going on here with this ticker symbol? Well, as you could see here, this company is a drone business. It's trading at 34 times its total assets as of today. This was written, and by comparison, Amazon, who knows a thing or two about drones and drone delivery, they're developing drone delivery for the future and have already done many test runs, and you could look into that. Specifically, Robinhood customers are jumping at the chance to own this company. The number of trading platform account holders investing in UAVS has gone from 10,000 in early April to more than 50,000 in mid-July. Still a very cheap penny stock. It only had $391,280 in revenue in its first quarter. That's considered basically nothing. You're a cockroach in this industry if that's all you made for the first quarter. So the company's trying to raise capital, and the capital raise is for more than $18 million, or more than 4 times its current assets, and it plans to use these funds for general corporate purposes, including the investments required to get its new manufacturing facility in Wichita up and running. It is unknown how long this good news will last. The CEO of the company has good background necessary to grow the business, but the $18 million raise is going to disappear in a heartbeat. Bezos spends more on vacation real estate. So really, this company is being propped up by the pandemic as there's more package delivery and the market is increasing. When it comes to UAVS, it's really unknown how long this growth will last. It could drop, and they would need a large company. They wouldn't need an Amazon, but they would need a large company to acquire its services and use them in order to maintain this growth. I think it's very speculative. It's all a gamble right now. I wouldn't touch it. Net account value, I think it's the same as last episode. You'll have to double check on that. It does stand at 184.94, so it's remaining stable in the 180s there. It was at 170s a few episodes ago, but it has increased due to growth in RF and Viacom. So, not bad. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, smash the like button, and like to see more videos and episodes from my channel, be sure to do subscribe, and hit the notification bell as well, so that you're notified every single time I make a new video. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.